The workshop for the production of aluminum translucent structures is designed for the design, production, and assembly of facade systems, window and door blocks, partitions, winter gardens, and other structures. The workshop for manufacturing structures from PVC profiles is designed for serial and individual production of translucent structures, including windows, doors, balcony blocks, and partitions. The technological process includes cutting of PVC profiles, reinforcement, welding of corners, machining, installation of seals, installation of fittings, and glass. A workshop for the production of decorative facade elements. Decorative elements made of aluminum, composite panels, other sheet metal materials, and HPL panels are part of ventilated facades used to aesthetically decorate buildings and improve their performance. They can also be used in other industries. Sub-design workshop is used to create metal or aluminum systems that serve as the basis for attaching various cladding materials, such as facade decorative panels and other building elements. The workshop for non-standard steelwork enables us to create unique metal elements and parts for facade structures and other metal products for various applications using plasma arc cutting, PAC, and non-consumable argon inert gas, TIG welding.